What is winning product? After watching this video, you will think different about finding winning product. For me, there are two ways for finding winning product. The first one is your product should be trending or there should be high demand for your product. The second one, you need to create a high demand for your product. The second one is more difficult because you will need to have a really good branding. You will need to spend really good money for your marketing campaigns. But don't worry, in this video we will cover both variants. So guys, the first product is customized frame product. It's a gift product. It's actually for couples, but everybody can buy this product as a gift. So how I found this product? I found this product from Etsy.com. So you need to go to Etsy and search, for example, custom frame or customized gifts. You can search these terms and then you will check results. You can find many product ideas from this website. So if you want, you can work with these sellers on the Etsy, or if you want, just you will get idea from Etsy and you will work with another supplier. Then I created this design on the Photoshop. Then I print it and put it in the frame so I can make videos for advertising. For fulfilling orders, I use Gelato. Their product quality is good. Their shipping is very fast. So I advise you to work with them. And if you want also, there are many product options on the Gelato. So you can customize any product you want and add to your store. So after I set up Gelato, then I started running ads. I started with Facebook ads, and at the beginning I was spending around like a $50-$60 a day, and then I increased budget slowly. At the same time, I was working with the influencers. We were also posting many videos on the TikTok every day. So finally we made this product viral, and on TikTok I've got more than 300 million views for this product. And the product cost was around like a $40, including the design, printing, packaging, shipping, branded labels, everything together. It was around like $40. And I was selling this product for $68 and $7 for the shipping. So in total, it was $75. And after like a 50 purchase, I increased the budget to the $88 in total. So in total, I made over $300,000 sales with only this product. So the second product is AirPods 2. As you know, Apple announced AirPods 2 years ago. So the price was around like $200. So that's why most of the people cannot afford this. So I decided to sell a copy of this product, and I found the exactly same copy from the AliExpress, and then I added to my store. I was selling this product for $34, including shipping. Then I edited my store. Whatever the product is, I always edit my store very professional, very clean. When the customer go to my website, I want to make sure they feel like it's a legit brand, so they can trust me. That's why I always make my website user friendly, very professional, very detailed description, high quality photos. I always take product photos by myself, the photo reviews, the design, color. So I try to make everything professional. Then I created photo for the ads. For this product, the photo ads is working better compared to video ads because people already know what's the product. They don't need explanation for the product. I just put the product on the photo, the AirPods 2. I added a couple details about the product, not too much text, just couple text about the product, and that's all. I run ads like that. So then my ads worked very well, again because it's a trending product, people searching for this product, and I sell exactly same copy for the cheaper price. So that's why my ads working. And after see the sales are good, everything is okay, so then I added black color of this product. So this product also became viral on the internet, the black AirPods 2. It was selling very good. The third product is hand sanitizer. I was selling this product on 2020. When I sell this product, there was a really high demand for this product. People cannot find these products anywhere. That's why whenever I start this business, it worked very well. First of all, I found a supplier from the United States. So they give me each bottle for $3, and I sold one bottle for $7. You can think it's not a big profit. You will not make big money from this business, but no, because people were ordering as a bundle, like a 5 piece, 10 piece, 20 piece together, because they afraid this product will be out of stock. So that's why they don't want to miss this chance. For this product, I again run photo ads. This product is also well known, so everybody know what it is. So people don't need actually explanation for this product. Also, again, I put the product photo and a couple text about the products, and I run ads like that. And right away from the first ad set, it's already brought me sales. That's why I could scale this product very fast. And in a week, I already have enough data for lookalike ads. And then I started running lookalike ads. For sure, you can make more profit from the lookalike ads because you already have data. Facebook already know who to target, who to show your ad. So that's why they will not waste your money. Actually, they will show your ad exactly to the right people. And I made around $418,000 sales from only this product. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you learned something useful. As I said, when you find a winning product, make sure it's a trending or there's a high demand, or you can create high demand for your product. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe the channel.